Hey everyone, Michelle McCarthy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is week 3 of the Taste of Summer series that I am hosting with Claire from Cookie Crumb Fun, April from The Simple Rugged Path, and this week we're being joined also by Ingrid from Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles. So each week we have been featuring a summer recipe. Week 1 we did a summer side, week 2 we did a summer dessert, and week 3 we're going to be showcasing a summer drink. So make sure you check the playlist below so you can see Ingrid, Claire, and April's videos so you can get some amazing summer recipes. I have watched all the latest videos and I can't wait to try what they have created, especially since a lot of the recipes are gluten-free and Trim Healthy Mama, so you know they are healthy. So today, what I'm making for you all is something really simple. I am gonna be making a mango smoothie. Mango is one of my favorite fruits. Just growing up in Puerto Rico, I grew up eating mangoes, and it's been one of my favorite fruits ever since I was a little girl. So everything that has to do with mangoes, I love, okay? So for this smoothie, it's really simple. What you're gonna need is 2 cups of frozen mango, 1 cup of your favorite milk. This one is almond milk, but you can try whatever milk you want. 1 cup of fat-free regular yogurt, okay? We're gonna use half a tablespoon of honey, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of lime, okay? So this is all we need for this recipe. So I am going to put the mangoes in here, the cup of almond milk. I'm going to put the cup of yogurt in there. Next, I'm going to put the half a tablespoon of honey. Honey's always so hard. And a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And one teaspoon of lime. So I'm just gonna squeeze this lime here on my tablespoon just to make sure I can catch the seeds, okay? So that is it. I'm gonna put it on the blender and we're gonna blend, and that's it. This is a simple summer drink that the kids can make and the kids are going to love too, and it's healthy and yummy, okay? So we're gonna blend. Okay, so that is it. I tried making this without the milk and it was really thick, so I like it with milk better so we won't be as thick, okay? So this will be 1 serving of smoothie, and really yummy. So let me know if you try it. Let me know below which one is your favorite type of smoothie. Let me give it a little try. That's really good and really refreshing for a hot summer day. I love the cinnamon in it. For watching, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check April, Claire's, and Ingrid's channel too, so you can check their videos and you can check their channels because there are some amazing YouTube channels that you need to check out, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!